What's up, guys? So welcome to this video. I wanted to give you 4 YouTube niche ideas that can make you blow up in 2025. Okay, so it's important that you have a good niche in 2025, so you can blow up your channel and get some views pretty quickly. Okay, so uh, if you're on my channel, you might be familiar with the standard YouTube automation search-based niches where you go over simple how-to guides on how to do things on your PC or your phone, and those are the most common search-based YouTube channels which are fully automatable, and you can automate those videos and get some views that way. So you're all familiar with this, but you might be a little bit tired of this specific niche being repeated and repeated over and over online when it comes to search-based YouTube. So I've talked about channels like this countless times. I've got a channel like this myself, okay, where they go over simple 1 to 3 minute videos on how to do various things. So this one is how to format references in APA format, okay, how to change password in capital.com. Very basic things, and the nice thing about these videos, you can send them off to a team. They can create these videos for you, and you can, the more videos you have like this, the more views you're going to get over time. It does take a little bit of time, 3 to 6 months, to start getting traction with a brand new channel, and but eventually you start getting views over time, and that's a good thing. So this is the most common type of channel, and my channel is in this specific niche. Like you can see, 6K videos, you need a lot of these videos in order to start getting a good amount of views. Let's just say 3,000 videos to get like 1 to 2 million views per month, and then you're making good money with your specific search based channel. But you could capitalize on some trends coming up pretty soon, when it comes to gaming and things like that, like GTA 6 coming out. So I found this channel right here called Dr. GTA VI, and they just basically giving you everything related to GTA 6, like the trailers, the leaks, and all the news and updates. Then this is going to be able to capitalize on trends. I just want to see how many views this channel's got. So 4 million views so far, which is pretty decent with 346 videos. So that's pretty great. So you can hop on these trailers, and you can do some commentary over the trailers or some subtitles or some background music, and you should be good to go. These videos don't have to be 10-20 minutes long. As you can see, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So that's the length of video you want to go after. So let's just take a look at one of these videos right quick. So I'm going to open that up in a new tab, and if you're just starting out and you want to start doing these channels yourself, you can do yourself voiceover or get that outsourced for like $3 per video if it's a 6 minute video. So that's good. So this video is about GTA 6 trailer 3 leak, shocking new gameplay teaser just dropped. So GTA 6 is like hyped up right now because it's about to get released pretty soon, I think. So everyone's trying to hop on these trailers and these leaks and stuff. So you can do this, and then when GTA 6 comes out, you can do some gameplay videos of the game, and then you can get some traction, starting out with the trailers and the news and the leaks and the updates. And then when the game comes out, you can outsource the gameplay or play it yourself, and then you can do fails and stuff like that and get some pretty good views that way. So 2026, Grand Theft Auto. Okay, so GTA 6 trailer, because so that's a trailer video. This one's a trailer. That's a trailer. Okay, so these all look like trailers. So you can hop on these trailers, talk about them, and gain some pretty good views that way. Okay, it's pretty straightforward and simple. A trend, and then but this game's going to be out and gaining views for pretty long time. Okay, it's GTA. Okay, so the more early you are in this niche, the better. So this channel did pretty well and got 4 million views. Then I found, if you're interested in YouTube Shorts, there's a new trend popping out where you can do these cat videos. Okay, viral cats, which can be created with AI. Like, let's take a look at this video as an example. This YouTube short was created with AI. I think Leonardo AI. You can create videos like this, and you can see the views are pretty good, pretty decent. And this is what I'm talking about, videos like this. Okay, that's the short. Just gains a lot of views, these types of videos, and you can fully monetize these videos too. So If you take a look at that video, it got 135 million views. Okay, I'm looking for the AI ones, 291k views. And if you want a full tutorial on how to create these cat videos with something like Leonardo AI, just drop a comment down below. And then let's see if I can find another one. 101 million views 9 months ago, so these just absolutely blow up. Looking for some more AI, 40 million views, so it's crazy. 7.8 million views on this one 4 months ago. So that's let's just take a look at this one. It's just all created with AI, and it's pretty straightforward and simple. It might take you 20 to 30 minutes to make one of these videos. You upload one a day, and you're looking at some pretty good shorts views, which are fully monetizable. Like I said, when it comes to shorts, you need a lot of views, but you can easily get like 100 million views per month on a channel like this and make pretty decent AdSense revenue if you do it right. Okay, so that's the viral cat niche. It's pretty new. Like, for an example, if I go to the homepage of YouTube, I'm just going to type viral AI cat as an example. Okay, so you can see 4 months ago people talking about it, but I'm going to go to the filters, go to channels, and you can see a viral AI cats, 2 subscribers, 3 subscribers. So everyone's hopping on this trend, as you can see. Some people gaining traction, but these are small channels that have popped up. But you can see a lot of people creating channels like this. So it's a new trend. This is brand new, so you can hop on that if you want. And then the last niche I thought, because some people are getting bored of the typical how-to search-based channels, um, can be a little bit expensive to outsource. So these GTA ones, the viral cat is something you can do yourself and get some pretty good views, which I like. And then the last niche I have is the quiz niche, which can gain some pretty decent views. You can see this channel got almost 1 million subscribers with just 465 videos. Let's see how many views they got. 247 million views just creating quizzes. And let's take a look at these quizzes. These are pretty advanced edits, but you don't have to be so advanced. Do it pretty basic and get some good views. You can use Canva or some other AI to create these quizzes. I can do a full video on that if you want. So I'm just going to skip this. So you can see here, this is the quiz video. This specific video was uploaded 19 hours ago. It's gaining traction, and it's just a quiz. Let's see if there's music. So just the background music, and then people go through this. Okay, so this is a good niche, and you can create this, as you can see, with AI. Create these videos and get some pretty good traction. Just make sure you're not using copyrighted music, and then you should be good to go. But Quiz Rainbow, let's just take a look at their popular videos. 14 million views, 10 million, 9.9 million, 6.3 million. So this is a good niche, and this was just 4 months ago, 14 million views. Okay, so that's epic. So then I'll go over that to summarize. Login aid, I've talked about this countless times. Typical search-based channel, then the GTA 5 trailers, updates and leaks, and then the viral cat niche, and then the quizzes. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Drop a comment down below, anything that you want, video requests, something you want me to cover, comment it down below, and I'll be getting to that. So drop a like on this video and subscribe to this channel, and look out for more videos coming soon.